We're now only a few days away from Chelsea. Myself and my dad are going to start taking everything up tomorrow, so bright and early. We're going to take this stand up there. So this is the stand we've been showing you all along. Clearly not 100% finished, but this is, let's say, 95% finished. All the plants we expect to go in the display are in here. So these bits here, this is going to have a gravel area here. And we started putting the plants in. We've got a nice lot of flower, nice lot of bud coming. We've got some Achilles just breaking into flower now. They're going to be perfect. Judging for Chelsea is, we're now Tuesday, it's next Monday. So yeah, these are coming along really, really nicely. So yeah, we've got curry plants are looking good. I like the nice silver foliage, some variegated scented geraniums. In this patio area, we're going to have some chilies. I've dotted a few about. Some of the rest of them are in the chili greenhouse, just because I get worried they're going to get a bit cold. But we've got some fruit coming there. We've also got this new thyme here, thyme sparkling bright, which is really, really nice. So that's going in the display as well. The nasturtiums looking good. And we've gone for trying to get as much colour in the display, and it's a really colourful display. We're really, really happy with it. Some nice low bits round here with some of these thymes, all different thymes. The golden fever view in this corner is going to have this dark leafed chili against it, so we're really pleased with that. And you can see more bud coming, as well as obviously these plants. We're also going to have some backup plants that we take along with us. Sometimes when you put the display up in a different place, you sort of think that's going to look slightly better there, or something like that. So yeah, we'll take some backup plants which we've got elsewhere as well. And then round to here, we've tried to get as much variety in here as possible. The chives are looking really good. Some more nasturtiums. And my favourite lemon verbena. She's looking good. On the blackcurrant sage, we've got bud coming as well. I'm less confident that that's going to make it for judging, but certainly by the end of Chelsea, that'll be in flower. So yeah, it's all looking good. Really happy with how it's gone and how it's going. We've just got to leave about 5 o'clock tomorrow morning and start setting up. We'll do a bit all the way to next Sunday. So yeah, all going well. If you're going to Chelsea, obviously make sure you pop in and have a look at it and tell us what you think. And we'll obviously feedback how we do medal wise and how the show goes.